Welcome to our weekly updates from Little Baby Bump, a mom and baby health center in BTM layout, Bangalore. Here our eminent doctors give you tips on topical issues every week.
Hello friends, I'm sure you're looking forward to the new year. Wish you a great 2012. This is our first podcast of the year. So obviously we want to start off by making sure that we are starting on an optimistic note. And there's been a great news, hasn't there been, Dr. Adarsh? We have seen that polio has pretty much been eradicated in India, and I think that's wonderful news. Why is it such wonderful news, Doctor? And what was the story behind it?
So it's an amazing news, Rajiv. First of all, I wish viewers a very, very happy new year. There is this intense work going on about polio from the last couple of decades. Polio is a very debilitating disease, as you know. Polio is a viral infection which causes paralysis of the limbs. So there's a huge, immense pressure on not only on the individual but also on the family. For example, a paralysis means there is a difficulty for society acceptance, working for the livelihood, pressure on the family, then the emotional trauma, and so this had been a huge thing.
It's a huge human tragedy, isn't it?
Absolutely. So from the 80s, the developing countries were in the focus of WHO, and one of the main criteria was it wanted to eradicate polio in the globe, and most developed countries had come off it. So this pressure, and I think the doctor fraternity, came out together. Everybody had one thing: eradicate polio. So one of the key things was this polio immunization, that two boon ki zindagi. So this started, the talks went fruitful with the government, then doctors, government, health workers, all of them came together, and there has been a sustained effort. I think the sustained effort is the key here. This continuously, perseverance was there from 10 years, all the states in India. We made an active campaign. Instead of waiting for the patients to come, door-to-door campaign was created. 2 drops of polio, irrespective of whether the child was immunized previously or not. Every child less than 5 years received for 5 successive years. I think this effort over this period, I think dividends paid off. This is the first year where India is of no polio case in the entire 1 year, and it's a wonderful news.
Fantastic, fantastic. I think it's great, Doctor. Thank you very much, and I think it's a great way to start the new year. So wish you a happy new year again, and I'm sure we'll be doing more podcasts. Thank you.
You are listening to our weekly video cast from Little Baby Bump, a mom and baby center in BTM layout, 2nd stage, Bangalore. To find out more, please visit lilbabybump.com or facebook.com/littlebabybump. Thank you very much for listening.